Best home remedies for sciatic nerve pain. 1. Hot or cold compresses. Hot or cold compresses can help to lessen sciatic pain and inflammation. Heat cures relaxes tense muscles which may be compressing sciatic nerve. How to do it. Keep a hot or cold pack on the affected area for 10 to 15 minutes. Do this remedy every few hours until you get relief. Avoid using cold compress, if you have nerve problems. 2. Turmeric. If you suffer from sciatic pain, turmeric can help you get out of this trouble. Turmeric contains curcumin, a strong agent to reduce pain and inflammation. You require turmeric, cup of milk, honey. How to do it. Take 1 cup of milk and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Boil the solution. In order to sweeten this solution, you can add honey to it. Drink it once or twice daily to get soon recovery. 3. Capsaicin cream. According to medical research, cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, a compound that has effective properties to relieve pain and diminishes inflammation in sciatic nerve pain. You require capsaicin cream. Purchase a cream or an ointment containing 0.025% to 0.057% capsaicin. Apply it on the affected area and massage for 3 to 4 minutes. Do this treatment for 1 week. 4. Sitting spinal stretch. This stretch helps create space in the spine to ease pressure on the sciatic nerve. Sit on the ground with your legs extended straight out with your feet fixed upward. Bend your right knee and place your foot flat on the floor on the outside of your opposite knee. Place your left elbow on the outside of your right knee to aid you gently to run your body towards the right. Hold for 30 seconds and repeat 3 times, then switch sides. 5. Fenugreek seeds. Another important and helpful remedy to reduce sciatic pain is to use fenugreek seeds. The anti-inflammatory properties packed in seeds are excellent to provide soothe. You require fenugreek seeds. How to do it. Grind a handful of fenugreek seeds. Boil the powder with enough milk to obtain paste. Apply it on the affected area as a poultice. Leave it on few hours before rinsing it off. Do this method on daily basis until you get relief. 6. Valerian. Valerian root works wonders and relieves chronic nerve pain. It's beneficial for easing pain caused by a muscle spasm. You require valerian supplement. Take 150 grams of valerian root supplement 3 times a day. It will assist you to get instant relief from pain caused by sciatica. 7. Massage. You can get rid of sciatica pain by massaging. This is one of the simplest home remedies which brings quick and fruitful results. You require St. John's wort oil. How to do it. Massage the affected area with St. John's wort oil 2 to 3 times a day. The anti-inflammatory properties present in the oil help to remove sciatica pain. We hope you will like and share this post. 7 effective home remedies for sciatic nerve pain.